Hi, my name's Ken Stillman. I'm excited about a new concept called
No helium, no problem.
These look like helium balloons, but actually they're air-filled balloons. They even act like helium balloons. But they look so much like helium. The difference is they'll be able to stay up for twice, 3, 4 times longer than helium balloons. And even with high flow, because there's actually no helium in there. The design that I've come up with is actually, I believe, a sellable design. We've cut the cost down. We have a low-cost stand for it that will would take the place of the helium, and if it's disposable. But if you are a balloon contractor that is doing large size jobs, you're doing 60 tables at a graduation or 60 tables at a wedding, you can use this over and over and over. So it comes apart easy, it's easy assembly, it's easy breakdown, it's easy storage. You can store it. We'll have ideas of storage inside the video. So anyhow, if you want to purchase this video, it's available on the link below, and we are offering right now a pre-sale. So we should have this done in the next month, and when it's done, if you buy the pre-sale, you're going to buy it at a lot cheaper price than it'll cost when it's done. But regardless, this is going to revolutionize the balloon delivery and also the helium shortage. So thanks for watching this video.
No helium, no problem.